In standard werewolf lore, man transforms into a wolf, but it seems in some Dogman cases, there may be a bit of a reverse transition, and it's auditorily sickening. This is yet another Fortean fritter. Joint popping when standing.
And as I looked at him, he did something that was so alien and so strange that it haunts me to this day. And I hear two distinct popping sounds. He pushes off the rock with his front feet, and he settles in on two legs. I was shocked. Now, this dog-like, wolf-like creature is standing on two legs. It's now taller than any dog that I had come in contact with.
We will look at the rest of David's encounter in another video, but given the strange popping sounds before the creature stood up, does this mean that dogmen are masquerading as regular dogs? Well,